Dear students and listeners, welcome to Max KCC channel. Once again, application of integration in NCERT syllabus. Now we can discuss some problems in area which comes under miscellaneous exercise on this chapter. Ninth sum, find the area of the smallest region bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 and the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Same type of problem we have done in example 8. So please remember. So now listen, ellipse is given x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is the given ellipse, and given line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now listen here, we have to find the point of intersection of line on the coordinate axis. So put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to b in this equation of the line. If you put y is equal to 0, x by a is equal to 1, therefore x is equal to a. So 0, 0, b and a, 0 are the point of intersection of the line on the coordinate axis. Now we have to find the point of intersection of the parabola and the line. Now ellipse and the line. Given ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now listen here, y by b, x by a equal to 1 minus y by b. So now substitute this in equation number 1. We get 1 minus y by b the whole square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So simplification, 1 a square minus 2ab minus 2y by b plus b square, y square by b square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So minus 2y by b plus 2y square by b square is equal to 0. So 2y by b is taken out in common. So minus 1 plus y by b is equal to 0, which implies 2y by b is equal to 0, which implies y is equal to 0, and y by b minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal, which implies y by b is equal to 1. So y is equal to b. So y is equal to 0 and y is equal to b are the values of y where the curve and line intersect. So now we have to find the value of x. If you substitute y is equal to 0, what happens? Y is equal to 0, then x by a is equal to 1, x is equal to a. If you substitute y is equal to b, x by a plus b by b is equal to 1. So x by a plus 1 is equal to 1, x by a is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. So point of intersection 0, b and a, 0 are the point of intersection. Here the meeting point of the line on the coordinate axis and point of intersection of line and ellipse are same, a, 0 and 0, b. Now we have to find the equation of the chord AB, name it as AB. Now, so equation of chord AB, we know that we found many problems. Alright, my y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is the known formula. Apply the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. We get y is equal to minus b by a into x minus a is the equation of the chord. Now we have to find the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion. So area of the shaded portion is, first we have to find the part of the ellipse, area of the part of the ellipse minus area of the chord AB is the required area of the shaded portion. First we have to find the area of the parabola, then next area of the chord AB. So required area equal to, we have to apply the equation of ellipse. So before that, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square minus x square by a square. So y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. Y is equal to plus or minus root of b square by a square into a square minus x square. So plus or minus b by a into root of a square minus x square. Minus is invalid. Minus b by a into root of a square minus x square is invalid. So y is equal to plus b by a into root of a square minus x square. And now we can substitute. So b by a into root of a square minus x square plus b by a into 0 to a x minus a. It is the equation of the chord we have found already. So write into dx. So which is equal to b by a into known formula. We are using this formula mostly in all problems. So x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a over 0 to a plus b by a into x dx is x square by 2 minus a into dx is x over 0 to a. So which is equal to b by a into a by 2. A by 2 into root of a square minus a square cancel 0. Therefore a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a by a minus lower limit 0. So next plus b by a into upper limit a square by 2 minus a into a square lower limit 0. So we can leave it. So which is equal to b by a into a square by 2 sine inverse of 1 plus b by a into a square minus 2a square minus a square by 2. So which is equal to b by a into a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1 pi by 2 minus b by a into minus a square by 2. A and a get cancelled. So therefore minus a by 2 minus b into minus a by 2. So which is equal to a and a get cancelled. So pi ab by 4. So here plus, okay, sorry. So plus into minus minus. So minus ab by 2. So which is equal to ab by 2 can be taken out. So into pi by 2 minus 1. So ab by 2 into pi minus 2 by 2 which is equal to ab by 4 into pi minus 2 square units is the required area. So listen here students, same type of problem is given, previous problem, 8th problem. Find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1 and the line x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So you can do this problem. What is the difference between previous problem and this problem? Instead of a square and b square we have 9 and 4. Here instead of a and b we have 3 and 2. So please students, you can try this problem and get the solution. So next problem, find the area of the region bounded by or enclosed by the parabola x square is equal to y, the line y is equal to x plus 2 and x axis. So given parabola opens upward, x square is equal to y. Given line is y is equal to x plus 2. So substitute x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 2. Substitute y is equal to 0 in the line, you get x is equal to minus 2. Therefore 0, 2 and minus 2, 0. Where are the points where the line intersect at the coordinate axis? Okay, now it's our duty to draw the line. So listen here, 0, 2 and minus 2, 0 are the Point of intersection of the line in the coordinate axis. Now we can draw the line. Please subscribe our channel. So now this line is y is equal to x plus 2. So now we have to find the area of this shaded portion. Before that, it's our duty to find the point of intersection or points of intersection. Okay, so listen here. X square is equal to x plus 2 because x square is equal to y and y is equal to x plus 2. Therefore, x square is equal to x plus 2. So x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. You know that x is equal to 2 comma minus 1 are the values. So when x is equal to 2, if you substitute x is equal to 2 here, we will get y is equal to 4. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. So when x is 2, y is 4. When x is minus 1, y is 1. Therefore, 2 comma 4 and minus 1 comma 1 are the points of intersection. So these problems are very important problem. Often in the examination we can get some problems in area. So you please go through these problems and take many problems, this type of problems you have to work out. So then you will get clear idea in area. Okay. Now we have to plot the point of intersection 2 comma 4 and minus 1 comma 1. So now the limit on x-axis is x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 2. So area formula integration minus 1 to 2 y1 minus y2 into dx. So integration minus 1 to 2 instead of y1. First we have to take line. So x plus 2 minus parabola x square into dx. So which is equal to minus integration. We can find the integration. So x square by 2 plus 2 into dx 2x minus x cube by 3 over minus 1 to 2. Apply the lower limits and upper limits. So we get x square 2 square 4 by 2 plus 4 minus 8 by 3. And apply the lower limits. We get minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 3. Right. So listen, 4 by 2 is 2 plus 4 minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 3. So listen here, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 9 by 3 minus 3. So minus 1 by 2 which is equal to 5 minus 1 by 2. So 5 minus 1 by 2, 10 minus 1 by 2 which is equal to 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 square units is the required area of the enclosed by parabola and the given line. Okay viewers, I hope that you listen our class. If you listen and understand clearly, you please like my channel and please subscribe my channel Max KCC. Thank you for watching.